How to get level 5 troops fast in Rise of Kingdom. So in Rise of Kingdom, yeah, if you go ahead to your barracks and then press on the blue icon right here, you will be able to see your troops. So you can see the troops you've got, and then that's the different level it will get. So last one is the 5th level, and you shall be able to like reach up to the level 5 for a specific troop by simply going and fulfilling the requirements. So here, if you go to the level 5 icon, the of the royal guard here basically, so you must find research royal guard in the academy to unlock this unit. So first of all, you must make sure you go ahead and build up academy, and then once you build up academy, then you will be able to find the military technology, and there will be seen a different tiers list. So if you keep on scrolling, you will be able to find up to level 5. So it will take a long process, a passive process. You cannot do that immediately. So to get T5 fast, speed ups matter most than the resources. So best sources could be like events, especially Lucrin's Call, that is the most specific event that would require to get more high level troops. So keep an eye on daily objectives as well. Keep an eye on Alliance Gift, Arc of Osiris, Kurak Ceremony, KVK rewards, and never waste speed ups on low value research. Of course, what you can do is you can spend your gems in order to like to purchase those research materials in the military technology, and then you can simply go ahead and speed up the processes to make sure you obtain the level 5 of your troops. So that's the thing, you must join alliance that would provide you faster help, more gifts, better kvk rewards, and access to alliance sub passport and speed up. So keep an eye on that, and hopefully this helps. Thank you.